What's up, guys? Josh bringing you another video for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy this video because this video is very important to me and this is also very special. Now, about this week, I did happen to went to Spirit Halloween and I did pick up a couple of things I want to share with you guys. I happened to pick up the Peaky Mia, and I tell you what, I had this thing for a couple of days and this thing is pretty damn cool. And I tell you what, I am very happy with it, and plus there's a lot of things, details, works that I got to upgrade on this, but I'll do that in another video. And I even picked up the trap itself, and which there's a lot of details on this that needs to be changed. Like, these are not right here, the screws, they're not right. They're supposed to be hex heads or bolt heads, but I want to fix those a little bit later time. But also I want to unbox the proton pack that just came in the mail today. Now, one thing I kind of see about the proton pack, the wand is upside down. Now, I don't know why, but I mean, it has lights, sound from the video, and one thing is not right is part of the tip of the hand of the wand, but who knows. So let's go ahead and open this up, and hopefully it's in here because I ordered this from eBay. Because oh, yep, it is in here. Oh wow, this is nice. Slide this out. Looks like battery safety information from Spirit. Set that aside. Now, I tell you what, this is it right here. And here's the size of the wand, which this looks pretty cool. And it just comes up to right here. And I tell you what, this is pretty cool. Very good detail work. Now, I know why they don't have this right here, but it looks like... No, it doesn't. But I tell you what, you guys, this is pretty cool. It does have the light up effect. It does have noise. These right here are black, which I'm kind of hoping maybe I can change those too. But here's the battery pack. There's no batteries in it. Well, let me go and get some batteries and we will test this out and see how this thing actually looks. So, be right back. Okay, guys, I happened to put the batteries in and I turned it on, and I'm going to go ahead and push this button right here and see if it will work. If not, let's see if the guy ripped me off or what. So let's... That is pretty cool. That is pretty cool, you guys. I tell you what, for about $60-something, I mean, this is really worth it. And it looks like the guy did add a couple of upgrades to it. And I'm very happy with the result and the amount of detail work that Spirit happened to put on this. But, man... Well, I hope you guys liked this video, and the next video I will be shooting, I will have my full gear on with this on, and I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe, and leave a like, and take care.